Welcome to this Ganotherapy presentation. Ganotherapy is a line of thought, consisting of 4 observation theories, that explain how Ganoderma helps to support the human body, to overcome its own health problems. Ganoderma is a mushroom, and it's just like any other natural food, but rich in nutrients. It is a food supplement that helps to support the body in a holistic way, to maintain health and wellness, through preventive methods. In contrast to this, conventional medicine works on a segmental basis, by using drugs to treat and correct diseases. To attain optimal health, the 4 pillars of health need to be observed. These pillars are a positive mental attitude, healthy lifestyle, healthy diet, and supplementation. Failing in any of these areas will cause the body to have too much toxin, and being out of balance. The toxin and imbalance of the body are the result of various internal and external factors, like stress and others. Toxin and imbalance are also caused by unhealthy eating habits. Bad eating habits will cause an accumulation of toxin, creating health problems for the body. Your body is the best doctor. When toxin accumulates in your body, it has its own defense system to overcome this through 3 phases, called the discharge phase, the put-aside phase, and the tumor-developing phase. In the first level of defense, or the discharge phase, the toxin will be discharged from the body, as sweat, urine, phlegm, and stools. If the body is unable to discharge the toxin will either be crystallized into uric acid and stones, or combined with other inert materials to form cholesterol and fat. That is why many people become overweight and obese, and suffer from high cholesterol and joint pains. This is where the second level of defense takes place, or what we call the put-aside phase. If such toxin cannot be discharged from the body for too long, it will develop into serious health problems like tumor. This is the third level of defense, where the tumor-developing phase occurs. Knowing that the 2 main causes of health problems arise from toxin and imbalance of the body, DXN introduced 2 main products, RG, to support the body in detoxification, and GL, to support the body in balancing. RG and GL are organic and natural products, made from the fruit and root part of Ganoderma. Generally, all our health problems arise from 2 main causes, namely toxin and imbalance of the body. This is the first observation theory of Ganotherapy. The second observation theory states that Ganoderma supports the body, and the body takes care of its own health problems. Ganoderma never acts on the health problems. It is the body that does so, with the support of Ganoderma. The third observation theory helps to explain about ailment reflection after taking Ganoderma. It is not the Ganoderma that causes the ailment reflection, but the body itself trying to discharge the toxin in the process of balancing. The fourth observation theory states the recommended dosage for optimal health. For the first week of consumption, it is recommended to take 1 pair of Rg and Gl per day, then proceed up to 6 pairs on the 4th week. If ailment reflection is strong, then the dosage has to be reduced to half, until it is manageable to the body. Our human body needs the proper combination of 4 parts of alkaline food to 1 part of acidic food for optimal health. Based on the food that we take every day, this happens in reverse. We tend to take more meat and soft drinks, rather than vegetables, fruits, and grains. Therefore, we need alkaline food supplements to neutralize our body's acidity. DXN has a wide range of alkaline health products, like Rg, Gl, Spica Tea, Spirulina, Linksy Coffee 3-in-1, and Morincy, for this purpose. Many people with diabetes do not realize that the root cause is from the food that they eat. Diabetes is caused by a pancreas problem, which is in turn caused by poor digestion, due to food lacking in enzyme. Most of the food we eat are cooked food, in which most of the enzymes have been destroyed, resulting in the pancreas having to work extra time and extra hard. If the pancreas is forced to work extra time over a long period of time, it will sooner or later be out of balance, which gives rise to diabetes. Since cooking kills most enzymes, and it is not likely for us to consume raw food, such as salad, during every meal, so this is why DXN provides you with enzyme products, like Rg, Gl, Spirulina, Morinzyme, and Cordypine. Do you know that our red blood cells can only last for 120 days? Our body has to produce red blood cells every day. To produce red blood cells, the body needs 2 raw materials, which are iron and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll can only be found in green vegetables. Do you eat sufficient vegetables every day? Most likely not, so what happens? Your red blood cells have to be recycled. The recycling process involves the spleen, liver, and kidneys, and is a very complicated process. If this were allowed to happen for a long period of time, these organs will fail and give rise to serious health problems. To avoid this from happening, DXN offers you the best green food, called spirulina, which is very rich in chlorophyll. Do you know that what is good for your stomach is also good for your face, and that the skin is the largest digestive organ of the body? Because of this, you can apply our RG, GL, spirulina, and even Linksy Coffee 3-in-1 on your face, as a mask for beautification, or even on your whole body. Furthermore, our skin is being exposed to too much toxin, free radicals, chemicals, radiation and stress. DXN Personal Care Products are natural products that serve to protect the skin and also act as nutrition for the skin. Who can consume and use DXN products? Since DXN products are natural health products, they are suitable for all categories of people, starting from infancy to old age, and the sick. Do you know that there are so many independent articles that are available online for our reference on Ganoderma, spirulina, mushrooms, cordyceps, and others? It is good to visit these websites for more knowledge about all these natural products, so that you can be sure of the elements found inside them. Make sure you find the time and spend some money for your health before it is too late. DXN products help your body to maintain optimal health. Give them a try, and you will feel the benefits of DXN products in a more natural way. Thank you for spending your time with us.